Hello everyone, and I have the Makita common model drill DDF484, and the problem with this drill is that the direction button is not working, and the other problem I think is the rusted check. So what I will do, I will take it apart to check what's wrong with the button. Okay, so we can see the problem with the speed changer, so direction changer. It just broke. Where's the other missing piece? No, okay. This is a replaceable part. Okay, I got the part. It's used from other drill. You can see the difference. So here the one of the pin is broken. So we can mount it here, and of course now we can check if the motor spins. So the one in the other direction it spins. Yep. Okay, it spins. And of course now we have the GWS. Okay, opening the back cover. Okay, and now we see we have a few options. We have the handle here with a circlip, and we have the Assy, which fits the socket here. Yep, and it can be managed like that. So I can put this one with a holder in a vise, and then or the check in a vise, and then I can turn it around to release the check. Of course the check needs to be replaced. Okay, I will try to adjust my camera to you to see the vise. Okay, the angle is something like that, and I will put the socket on the Assy, and I can try to screw it, unscrew the check. Okay, that's not bad because our retaining ring has fall out and the check has fall out, so we have you can see the check inside it, and of course we can punch the jaws here, and maybe they will go out. Before that I will check, maybe I can fit some kind of Allen key here. Yep, I can fit this key, so I will try to break the check. I think if I will not be able to open it more to save the screw inside. And okay, now I will just punch the check. one seems to go. Yeah, now I can try to break the bolt, or I can try to release it a little bit. So I will just try to unscrew the check a little bit, pop it, and now getting it back, trying to take out the Allen key. I cannot get out my Allen key. And now I will try to unscrew the screw again. Yep, now it's going easily, so I have released it a little bit by moving the check. We have our screw, nice and heavy, not break it. Now we need to unscrew the check. I can try to put the Allen key again, if I'll be able to fit. Yeah, and just putting it for the unscrewed position. What I want to do now, I want to get the gear Assy back. Maybe this is a little bit wrong steps. Okay, here it is. We have the gear for this one, and we have two pins here. Yeah, they must be like that, and of course the gear fall out. And I will put some grease here. Okay. Now I want to put this part here on the Assy. Just moving the gear Assy to check if it not spins around. If it not spins around, that's good. So we can return to our gears here. I'll put some grease here again. It's not holding in place without a check. Okay, inserting the second gear. So sometimes it's easier to do that with your fingers. Just needed to move it around to get it fit. And you can see the nice difference with the old Makitas. They don't have the needle bearings here, so this one has the needle bearing. Okay, I will put a small amount of grease here. That will be spread all the way the gears. Put in the metal plate. And our plastic core. Okay. I will check if I have closed it. Yep, maybe, yep. And now it's our time to get the wheel back, assemble it. Fitting the wires in the gap. Mounting the speed changer. Checking if it moves. Okay, it not moves. I have put it in the wrong direction. This cover. Now the speed changer will move. Just fit the springs inside the plastic housing. Okay, now I've got the changer in position. Maybe I have put it in the wrong direction. Yep. Now as the changer moves, the field seems to be in place. The wires are good. We can close the drill. Okay, I have found the placement check, and now I'm just turning the drill on the flower on the fire speed is 1. Screwing the chuck on. Inserting the screw. And of course tighten it. Okay, so that was a really long video for the drill like this, but it was the garage problem and showed the harder way to change the drill chuck.